Here's this little mod that I thought of doing with some heat shrink tube around the drive shafts to stop that pin from loosening up and coming out. What I ended up buying is some heavy duty heat shrink. It's the name, little info about it, and each size comes per foot. Just want to show you on a big piece. It's seriously heavy duty stuff, so it should hold this drive shaft in, or the pin, I mean. Let's see if it shrinks. See, what I did here is I just cut a small little loop, just big enough to sit up against this flat and not touch the transmission itself. So we're gonna put that up there and give it a shot here. I had to heat it up with the heat gun a little bit more just to get all the glue to start coming out. This looks pretty good. We'll see how it holds up. All right, we're gonna have a short clip here of how I do my engraving on my little benchtop CNC that I built. Here's the final product. Got my switch right back there with the LED light. Harness going to the side, antenna coming out with a grommet, and then that loom, nice and neat. Doesn't look like a bird's nest.